New ramp. Bill, do tell, why are you making a third ramp for this trailer? Why would you do such a foolish, crazy thing?
To load the high reach on and off.
Which is a three-wheeler.
Three-wheelers.
So you need a center one.
Yep.
So I do hear that you made a another ramp out of a 4x4. How did that work?
It lasted...
A couple years, right?
Oh, no, they're about 15 years old.
Well, okay. Obviously, you're going for the definite longer term.
Yep.
So we can bury you with this ramp?
Yep. Yeah, this one lasts as long as I'll be around.
Ben, take a look at your inheritance. Whoops. Looking good. All right. See you later. Bill says bye.